Jal both side, because it has now gone ahead to release a statement quashing the Aam Aadmi Party's claim. The Delhi Jal Board in a report has mentioned that the claims by the Aam Aadmi Party were actually factually incorrect, without any basis, and misleading the highlights and also false statements that are leading to fear-mongering amongst the people. In a letter, the Delhi Jal Board CEO has highlighted that ammonia in Yamuna waters increases every year as post-monsoons, and the water treatment process that is also being taken up, saying that this is when it comes to the untreated sewage that is often also being seen. This is annual phenomena, rather, when it comes to how the weather also changes in time and again, as far as the Delhi weather conditions are also concerned. So let's get in a word from Isha right now. Isha, now when it comes to the Delhi Jal Board, this seems to be countering the claims that have been made by the Delhi Chief Minister and former Delhi Chief Minister, saying that the water treatment of Delhi Jal Board are actually fully equipped to handle ammonia concentrations, and even when it comes to higher, that are also currently being recorded. This is the claim and counter, rather, and fact check that is now being done by the Delhi Jal Board.
Right, Amita. So this is not the first time that a department inside the government, inside the Delhi government, has come out and stated that the Aam Aadmi Party's claims may be facetious. And this particular claim has now been countered by the Delhi Jal Board. They are stating that Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi's claims may not actually hold substance, and the fact that the Delhi Jal Board is equipped to handle pressure, and they're also attributing it to change in temperature, and that is leading to change in ammonia levels. However, the Aam Aadmi Party is stating that this is water terrorism. They have given it a big name, and that has also led to massive reactions from the stalwarts in the Haryana government and in Delhi as well. In fact, BJP leaders from all across are hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party, stating that their information is incomplete and that they are attacking them without any basis, without any substance. But when we speak about the Aam Aadmi Party, they have actually compared this to a war and stated that this would happen when two nations would go into war, and people would and countries would stoop down to polluting and poisoning rivers. So their statement is being met with somewhat of a question mark, and is not being bought by several people, is what is coming out right now. But BJP vehemently attacking the Aam Aadmi Party for such claims.
We'll get to the politics of it right now. Isha, please do stay